Hello and welcome to the first quarter as well as March sales numbers for the Metro Milwaukee Market Minute, the M4. Justin Hoffman kicking off these numbers. We'll start with March. What do you think? Were we up or were we down? Down. That was easy. Down 35% in the month of March for Milwaukee County. Waukesha County down 17%. Ozaukee almost 23%. Washington County down about 34%. And Racine County down 18%. It's not a surprise. We've talked about this for months, probably years since I've been doing this video. Inventory is controlling this downward trend. This is not a lack of demand. Despite doubling the interest rate over the last 18 months, we still have buyer demand, which has pushed prices up, which we'll get to a little bit. But for the quarter, not good either. Down almost, 28%. Down 28% just for the first quarter. Milwaukee County, the first quarter is down 32%. Washington County down 16%. Ozaukee 36%. Washington 22%. And Racine about 27%. But what are we going to do? If you look at, since the Great Recession, if you look at development and new builds, it has not been good. People got scared, got gun shy, went bankrupt. A lot of builders went bye-bye during the Great Recession. And we're talking 2007, 8, and 9. It has never come back. So we've had downward trends of new construction, which is now catching up to us. Most of the focus of development has been on apartments, high end. It's really expensive to rent some of those as well, which has pushed a lot of people into wanting to become a buyer or a homeowner. And the problem is the competition is just, it's just out of control. It's still tilted, 100% seller market. What have prices done? Well, because of first quarter listings being down about 25%, which has been a very steady number that we've seen year over year. By the way, these numbers are down versus last year, which was down before the year before, which is pretty close to pandemic levels of listings, which is pathetically low. But prices were up almost 7% in Milwaukee County in the first quarter, almost 8% in Waukesha County. Washington County was pretty flat, not even up a full 1%. Same with Ozaukee County was up about 6%, and Racine County 5%. But over the last 4 years, new construction homes, which usually will add, several thousand houses to our market, has been down over 50%. Now, if you look at cost of building, it's astronomical. Cost of dirt, astronomical. Cost of labor to build the house, astronomical. So 95% of the world can't afford to build a house because it's $1 million freaking bucks. But we're seeing a little bit of downward pressure right now on the higher end market. And I think we're going to see some trickle down effect. The Feds are going to raise rates again. They're up another quarter of a point is what I'm assuming. It's not a direct tie into the mortgage rates. But if you look at an ARM right now, for example, especially new construction, they're all building with ARMs. The inverted yield curve has made short-term money, like a 5-year ARM, is almost 1/4 to 0.5% higher than the 30-year fixed. What's the 30-year fixed at? It hovers somewhere between 6.5 and maybe 6 3/4 right now, depending on your good stuff. The Feds and Biden came up with a brilliant idea to make more buyers by making lower credit scores have a deal to where they can get money from the higher credit score borrower. By the way, folks, I'm not going to waste time on it. It's a total money grab farce. All it is a tax on people with a credit score of higher. This will not add any buyers to the market. The media is going to spin it the way they want to, but the reality is there is not enough inventory to add buyers to the market. And until building costs come down, or we start to see labor costs come down due to a lot more economic turbulence, which I do think is ahead of us, we're going to see prices still probably continue to hedge up a little bit. And we just need this inflation to get under control so we can get these rates back down. And I think that will spur more sellers because nobody wants to sell their 3% interest rate right now. Well, that's it for the M4. Checking out for the first quarter. See ya.